So you might be looking for a way to fix your Meta Business Suite account if it's not posting to Instagram. Well, there are a few things that you may want to check here. Now, first things first is you want to check your account status here. Now, in some cases, Meta Business Suite would actually require you to connect or reconnect your Instagram account. So you want to open up Meta Business Suite here, and you want to go check your notifications at the top, right? And you just need to make sure that there's no notifications here that requires you to reconnect or confirm the connection to your Instagram account. Now, if you do see one, go ahead and click on it and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to check that your Instagram account is actually connected. Now, usually you just need to go to your homepage and you want to go to the main menu here. And if you do see the connect Instagram option, it means that your Instagram account has been disconnected. So you want to go and click on connect to Instagram, click on get started here, and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, if you have your account already connected, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. Now, if your app or the Meta Business Suite app here is not updated, it may lack certain features here, and some features would actually malfunction. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, look for Meta Business Suite, and if once you do see that, you want to go and just click on the update button if you do see one. Now, once you updated the app, I would highly recommend you to close the app here fully. So go ahead and just close Meta Business Suite here. And once you've done that, you want to look for the actual app here. And you want to go and press and hold on it. Click on the eye icon until you see app info. Click on clear data at the bottom right. Click on clear cache and OK. Once you've done that, you want to go exit this page here, open up Meta Business Suite here, and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.